Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create this stunning pink and blue chrome flame cat eye nails look. Step 1. Shaping nails. Depending on the customer's preference, file the nails into the desired form. In this case, the customer wants a short round shape, so you only need to file the edges of the nail tips to make them round. While filing, be careful with the sides of the nail. Hold out the skin next to the nail edge and file with moderate pressure to achieve the most beautiful nail form. Step 2. Soften the skin. You need to soften the skin of the customer's hands to prepare for cutting the skin. Step 3. Cuticle pusher. We will use a cuticle pusher to gently push away the dead skin around the nail. Step 4. Cut the cuticles. Make sure the cuticle nippers are properly sterilized and sharp so that cutting is clean and doesn't hurt the client. Step 5. E-file. Next is e-file. Our nails naturally have an oily layer. This step removes that oil so that when the polish is applied, it adheres better and lasts longer. Step 6. Clean the nails. Before applying polish, use alcohol to clean the nails and wipe off any dust left from e-file. Step 7. Base coat. The base coat is a crucial bonding layer that helps all the following polish adhere better. Avoid flooding the nail edges for a clean look. Step 8. Color design. Now we move on to the color design. I'm using a beautiful pink cat eye shade. After applying the polish, I use a magnet to create a cat eye effect. Gently hover the magnet above and around the nail in different directions to achieve a smooth and symmetrical cat eye effect. Once the design is achieved, I use the mini lamp to cure and set the effect. Repeat this process on the other nails. The pink cat eye color is perfect for those who love a soft yet glamorous look. It reflects femininity, elegance, and a touch of playful charm. Next, we'll use a blue cat eye polish for the other hand. Such a fun and unique way to combine two stunning shades in one nail set. We'll apply 2 coats of polish to achieve the most vibrant color payoff and enhance the cat eye effect beautifully. Step 9. Matte top coat. Matte top coat gives the nails a smooth, non-shiny finish. It helps protect the nail design, increases durability, and adds a modern, velvety texture to the overall look. Step 10. Design nail art. First is the heart flame design. Start by drawing 2 small circles side by side. Use a fine liner brush and thick painting gel, preferably non-white or chrome compatible. Next, draw an upward curve from each circle to form the top arches of the heart. Then, connect them with a curved line at the bottom. Finally, complete the shape by connecting the two arches with a smooth curved line at the top. Next, let's move on to the outline details around the heart. Using a fine liner brush and gel paint, start by tracing along the outer edge of the heart, leaving a small gap to create depth. Then add flowing, curved lines that extend outward from the heart. These lines should be slightly wavy or flame-like to create a dynamic, artistic effect. Make sure the lines vary in thickness to add dimension and visual interest. You can also layer or overlap some of them to enhance the 3D appearance. This detailing will help frame the heart beautifully and give the entire nail design a bold, edgy finish. To add a bold and edgy touch to the design, we'll draw two small horns on the heart pattern to create a fun and striking highlight. Start by sketching two curved lines rising from the top corners of the heart, then slightly curve them outward and sharpen the tips to resemble devil horns. These little details bring a playful yet fierce personality to the overall look, making the nail art stand out even more. This nail design features a dynamic abstract flame-like pattern on pink cat eye base. Two bold metallic chrome lines curve upward from the base and edges of the nail, resembling stylized flames or sharp claw marks. These lines are slightly jagged and asymmetric, adding a sense of movement and energy. A smooth white gel stroke is layered between the chrome lines, enhancing the contrast and adding depth to the design. The overall look is edgy, modern, and full of attitude, perfect for a bold statement nail. This nail design features blue cat eye base that gives off a soft metallic sheen. On top of the base, two flame-like lines are drawn symmetrically on either side of the nail. Use a fine detail liner brush dipped in painting gel. Start from the bottom edge of the nail and draw a curved line up one side, mimicking the flow of a flame. Repeat on the opposite side to form a symmetrical flame-like shape. Let the two lines curve and meet at the center or top to create a flickering, flame-inspired look. For this design, start near the bottom edge of the nail and draw two symmetrical upward curves resembling antlers or horn tips. Continue drawing from the top area, add two more horn-like curves facing downward, giving the illusion of mirrored antler branches. Using a dotting tool, place three small metallic dots near the top cuticle area. These add a touch of sparkle and detail to balance the design. Step 11. Chrome effect. Take a small amount of chrome powder and rub it gently along the surface of the nail. The chrome effect adds a mirror-like shine to the nails, enhances light reflection, and brings a modern, luxurious finish that makes any design stand out. Step 12. Top coat. Lastly, apply a top coat to finish off the nail set. Top coat gives nails a glossy, smooth, and polished finish. It helps the manicure last longer by creating a hard, protective barrier over the nail surface. And here's the final result. Let's take a look.